guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the Marshmallow Man. The Marshmallow Man from Ghostbusters. I think it was Stay Puft, right? Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. So we're using a marker, and I'm gonna use 2 colored pencils. So it's gonna be fast, it's gonna be easy, it's anybody can do it if you're a beginner. Perfect. Let's get started. Actually, this paper has some creases in it I don't like. I'm gonna move it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line right there for the underneath his hat. Okay, and I am going to pull that out to the bigger portion of his hat. Straight line. Dot at the top. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna create his head. His head is pretty much just a straight up like marshmallow. It's like a rounded box. I'm gonna put a cross here. I'm gonna throw across the kind of the scarf thing he's got going on. It's kind of like a sailor boy uniform. I don't know what he has going on. It's like a square. A line for the smile. I'm gonna fill in the top portion of that, so it's gonna look like it's just his tongue is there. Then I am going to draw his eye. And I'm gonna draw the underneath his eye first. And then I'm gonna draw that. Draw that. And I'm going to draw the inside pupils of the eye. Then there's a pattern. There's a line pattern on the actual, that kind of, I don't know what you call it, tunic, scarf thing he has on, like poncho, mini poncho. Gonna pull down into his arms, and I am going to give him the marshmallow body. Right? He's got that kind of big gut thing going on. Goes all the way down. Kind of reminds me of the Michelin Man as well, from like car tires. So another layer like that, just big poofing. You know, imagine marshmallows stuck together. That's pretty much what he is. His feet, that last marshmallow down there, it's kind of flat, right? Because it's got gravity. Then we're gonna go into the arms. The arms are kind of this gelatinous thing as well. Imagine marshmallows stuck together and then kind of it's kind of melting, falling off. And then the hands are more or less just hands, but I'm just going to draw a couple of fingers here to indicate the hands. And then the scarf comes down from underneath that sailor boy thing. Cloth coming off. And I forgot the tassel on the hat. There's like a tassel hanging off. Ghostbusters is seriously one of my favorite. I'm gonna color it now. I'm gonna take the blue over here. Ghostbusters is one of my favorite cartoons of all time. They're kind of up there with the original Ninja Turtles. Even some of the newer versions of the Ninja Turtles are pretty awesome. Not the new ones from Michael Bay, I'm not a big fan of, but and Ghostbusters is like, again, like one of my favorite franchises. I really hated that new movie. I thought that movie was terrible. And it was actually, I've liked other movies from that same director. I just really hated that new Ghostbusters. And we're gonna go here, color in the tongue, and then I'm gonna color in this scarf. And I'm just using really basic colored pencils, really cheap ones too, ones that you buy for like $1 at Target. And that's pretty much it. If you wanted to take the blue and throw some smaller lines around here, again, just to kind of give the form a little bit of dimension, you can do that. Makes it look more doughy. It's like a Pillsbury Doughboy, but marshmallow version. But yeah, thanks so much. I appreciate you watching. Make some requests. I'm going to be updating this a ton, actually, I've decided. So let me know, guys. Talk to you later.